Hi there. Well, it's me again. Time to cook something yummy. So, what we're going to do today is cook a roast. Yeah. It'll take a while, so there'll be a little bit of time lapse. I'm going to do it in the fry pan. And we're going to have it at about 190 degrees. Now this is blade roast. I love blade. Okay, it's one of the cheaper cuts of meats, but it's also one of the tastiest. So here we go. Stick it in, and to build up the flavour, what we need to do is chuck a heap of mushrooms around it. Because the mushroom flavour, as it's cooking, they will juice up and they will get flavour happening into the steak. And the other thing we need, which we got to run out to the garden to get, is a few sprigs of parsley. As I've said before, parsley helps enhance the flavour of steak. Believe it or not. So, yeah, that'll do the job. Nice fresh parsley straight from the garden. Smells good too. And as this will take a few hours, while we're thinking of other things and waiting for this to cook, I'll be preparing the veggies and get them cooking as well. It's not so much that you eat the parsley, but you know, we could have done some garlic with it as well, but yeah. Get that in there, get it all happening. And it's a 1.7 kilo steak, so usually it's 30 minutes per 500 grams. It's about an hour and a half to hour and a half is like, so I don't like it fully cooked. Okay, so I'll catch us later. I'll give you a thingo with the veggies, because what we're doing tonight is some pumpkin, some onions, some potato, and carrots. So, okay, we'll get into it, eh? Okay, time for phase 2 of cooking this lovely roast. And this is mainly because I have limited cooking facilities. So if I can do it, you can do it too. So we pull the roast out and let it rest for a while. Yes, I know I couldn't help myself. I cut a bit out before just to make sure it's going along right and eat it. God dang, it was good. So, put all the veggies in. And this time, we need to roast them up a bit, we need a bit of oil. But, having said that, I've only really got spray oil, which does not work as effectively. So, what I'm going to do is I've got this crappy little piece of butter left from my previous cooking expeditions. So, some people would not call it's probably too much. Actually, it's definitely too much. But, why the fuck not? You know what? Why the fuck not? Why the heck not? Yeah, someone said I shouldn't swear in my videos, so I'll say, why the heck not? So, a little bit there, a little bit over there. I mean, if people eat fish and chips and all that other sort of stuff there, well, hells yeah. I'll tell you what, I'll just slice a bit of this corner off. Can't help myself. Bad habits. Oh. what we'll do is come back later and see how it's going. Oh, here's the pièce de résistance, the roast. The vegetables are all ready. Okay. Oh, it's just me. How the heck am I supposed to eat all that? So what I'm going to do is just dish out a few, leave some in the pan, while it cools down to store it up for something for tomorrow. So yeah, a bit of everything. There's potato, there's some of the mushies. Ooh, I love the pumpkin, eh? I also like a good cooked onion. And I forgot to turn the TV off in the background, so I do apologize. You think I'm being shot at. Yeah. Yeah, that's a bit of everything. Oh, maybe a bit more pumpkin, eh? I like pumpkin. It ain't just pig food, man, it's good shit. So, all I can say is, man, roast dinner, piece of cake. So, sorry, it's only me, okay? Now, yes, I know I shouldn't be using my fingers like that, but there you go. That's how you put it all together. Big hearty meal. So, like I said before, oh, I didn't make gravy, so I think I got a little bit of this sauce left. Eda Barbecues sauce. And it is the bomb. Okay, all done now. So, everybody, hasta la vista. Remember, like, share and subscribe.